Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to tell you all about the Android 14 wireless CarPlay for Mercedes-Benz C-Class W205 screen Android Auto Multimedia. The new Android 14 wireless CarPlay multimedia system is presented as a modern upgrade for Mercedes-Benz C-Class W205, 2014 to 2015 models, equipped with NTG 5.0/5.5 systems. It emphasizes a plug-and-play installation process that integrates with existing car controls. The system operates on the Android 14 OS, featuring processors such as MediaTek 8581 or Qualcomm 665, coupled with 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM for enhanced speed and storage. Users can select between 10.25-inch or 12.3 HD touchscreens with a 1920 by 720 resolution. The multimedia capabilities include support for various digital formats, MP3, MP4, WMA, JPEG, and legacy formats like CD, DVDR/RW, and DVD-RAM, supported by 4x50W audio output. Key functionalities include wireless CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration, a digital sound processor, DSP, for audio customization, built-in Wi-Fi, 3G/4G network compatibility, and integrated GPS for navigation. Additional features comprise split-screen capability for multitasking, full retention of steering wheel controls via CAN bus support, and extensive multi-language options. The unit is a double DIN design, constructed for durability, and supports external memory up to 128GB, with no built-in optical drives. The product is supported by a 2-year warranty, fast shipping, and 24/7 customer support, making it suitable for W205 owners seeking advanced infotainment features. Thanks for watching. Check out the video description for updated price.